welcome back to my channel. This is a different video that I'm doing today. It's called, as you can tell from the title down below, this is the Love with Food box taste testing. I signed up for this for a good cause. Every box that you buy, it's one meal is donated to sorry. Every meal, it's a meal that's donated to a hungry child. I think one meal is donated for every $10 box. There's also a deluxe box, and there's also one. So it looks like this, and then it comes, when you open it, it has a whole bunch of stuff on that. Cards and stuff for discounts and stuff, or anything else, and then here's all the stuff that's in there. So I guess let's get started with this taste testing and see how everything tastes. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to try is the Ogie's Gourmet Popcorn, Kettle Popcorn. So yeah, first thing I noticed about the bag, it's filled all the way to the top right here. But you know, some bags of chips, it's filled all the way right here and the rest is air. But I like that though, you know. Gourmet popcorn. Let's get this open. This is good. It tastes like real, like they pop this and then put like whatever sweet stuff on it. It tastes like really good. So I'm going to try these cookie chips. They look like this. I never had a cookie chip, so I wonder how this is going to taste. Get it open. Come on. Duh, Danielle, it's a little tear thing right here. Look the way it looks. It's really hard like a chip, and it looks like a cookie. So let's try it. I forgot to mention, this is the December 2014 box. Okay, so December 2014. I haven't got my January box yet, so yeah. And it also comes with this little thing, tells you the ingredients, and if it has GMO in it, or if it doesn't have GMO in it, or gluten-free and stuff like that. So the next thing that's in the box that I'm going to try is the Olympus pitted green olives, and it's gluten-free with herbs. So let's see what this tastes like. I like green olives, so they should be good, but I never had it with herbs. It looks like that with the little herbs in it around it. I don't know if you can see it. Very good. Next in the box, I'm going to try, I'm a sucker for chocolate and mint together. It's so good. But this is the Honey Acres Dark Chocolate Honey Mint Candy. And in the box, you get 2 of them. So let's open one. Looks like this. Circle. It tastes like a condensed bar. It's pretty good. and the thing that I'm going to taste is these right here. They're called Liddy Beats. Heck, I can't even pronounce the name. But it's chocolate, sea salt, and caramel. So this should be good. And it only comes with 2 in a pack in the tasting box. Next in the box, it's a organic hazelnut spread with coconut and milk. But I'm not gonna open this because you have to eat it with like bread and stuff, and it's 9 o'clock at night, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, and next is espresso candy, the original coffee candy. So it's like a shot of coffee in this one little candy to help you be alert throughout the day. So I'm not gonna eat this because I do have to go to bed in 3 hours. So I don't want to be up all night jittering. So last thing that I got in the December 2014 box is these dark chocolate covered coconut. So let's try it. And it's called Next by Nature. So it's organic. It ain't nothing but coconut and chocolate. So it looks like this. Like those Almond Joy and Mounds. If you like those, this is the healthier version. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that was it. That was all that was in the Love Box in December 2014 taste box. If you like any of these items, you can go check it out on lovewithfood.com, or I can leave a link in the description box below. So let's help fight hunger in America. Buy a box. It's only $10. And you can get all this in one box. There's also a gluten-free box, and there's also a deluxe box. So let's fight hunger in America and donate. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Peace.